Yes, we did it. I'm so super excited. I have tried several yogurt recipes that have failed, and this is the very first one that came out nice. Let me show you how I did this. In a bowl, I added about 4 cups of milk. I'm using a lacto rich milk for this. Then I added 4 cups of hot water to this. I will show you the right measurement to this because this yogurt making has really stressed me that I'm super excited that this one came out so nice. So I gave that a very good stir. After stirring, then I'm going in with 4 cups of cold water, like room temperature water. Okay, that's to say to a cup of milk you go in with 2 cups. Okay, that is the ratio. You can times it with as many cups of milk you are making. Ensure that any cup of milk you take, you put 2 cups of water. All right, so after mixing, I will just pass this through a sieve. I'm super excited because my yogurt came out so nice. This is yogurt with no nonsense added to it. So I just went ahead and sieved this. After sieving it, I allowed it to cool down for some minutes. Then I went in with my little finger to see if I could tolerate the heat, and it was just perfect. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my yogurt starter. Okay, so if you want to add this yogurt starter, please do not add it direct into the mixture. So mix it separately like you are seeing in the video, and when it has dissolved, you pour it inside, then give it a stir again, just like so. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so right now I just use this clean film to trap the air because I'm not so sure of the cover. Please, whenever you are making yours, make sure you use an airtight cover, like cover that can tight very well. So right now I just cover it, and this is where my fear was. Like, I don't know if it's going to come out nice. When you have tried something severally and it didn't come out perfectly, whenever you want to do it again, you'll be kind of scared. So I wrapped this with so many nylon. Like, I used about 3 nylon to wrap this. This is the second one. Then after wrapping it with this one, I use a wrapper to also wrap. After using this wrapper, I also use another blanket to tell you how serious I was with this yogurt. Like, in my head, and my children were saying this yogurt must not fail. Like, you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, after that I use blankets to also wrap it. Then finally I put it inside about 2 other nylon. You may not have to go through all this, it's just because of my fears. So I kept it for 24 hours. I don't want to happen before to happen again. At this point, this was the moment of truth. Everybody, my children were just looking, mommy, I hope it will come out nice. And luckily for me, oh my goodness, this yogurt came out perfectly. Like, can you say it? It came out so nice, and we're all so happy. I wish I just leave the voice. You will see how everybody shouted, like, we're happy that this yogurt came out so nice. So right now I'll just pour it inside a bigger bowl so that I can stir it properly. Stir it so that it will be very smooth. I didn't bother removing the whale because I like my yogurt thick but not too thick. You can also call this Greek yogurt because when I eventually put it in the fridge, the yogurt gets thicker. Okay, so you can call this Greek yogurt, but if you want it thicker, you can sieve it. Okay, so I just separated the yogurt. I want to add sugar to this for my kids. Then the other part is unsweetened, so I just sweeten this with little sugar and vanilla. So this is for my children, then the other one is absolutely for me. Okay, like I said earlier, I added vanilla essence to it. So guys, are you getting value from this video? If you are, let me know in the comments. Have you made yogurt that fade before? try this my recipe, because this particular one will not fail at all, because it took me some time to get this yogurt making right, and I'm not going to be stopping anytime soon. So look at it, it's very thick. So I just bottled this into two bottles, then I went over to the other bottle. Okay, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. So from the unsweetened one, I kept some for my next batch of yogurt. Okay, this is what I will be using as my yogurt culture for the next batch. So I'm also going ahead to bottle the unsweetened one. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I got 4 bottles of this. If I were to add more water to it, I will get more of this yogurt. Am I stopping anytime soon? No. Thank you for staying connected. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. Bye for now.